Kayla and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. What? A new series? Yes, so today I am starting a new series all about my weight loss journey, which we've talked about a little bit on this channel, but not too much, but that's about to change. So every Wednesday, most Wednesdays, I will be uploading a video about my weight loss journey and different aspects of health. So it may not always just be about weight loss, might be when I post more of my videos about Hashimoto's and how I'm controlling that and anything else health related that is impacting my weight loss. So it could be sit down videos like this, it could be like a what I eat in a day vlog, could be a workout video, could be a haul, anything that is going to relate to health and weight loss and well-being is kind of what this series is for. So be looking out for these videos coming every week. Next week's will be a what I eat in a day vlog. So just be prepared for that. So today's topic is going to be tone it up. I've talked a little bit about tone it up before in like favorites videos because I really like some of their products. And a lot of their products were in my New Year's resolution weight loss haul that I did, my fitness supplies haul. But I've actually joined the nutrition plan, and that is what I am doing right now for weight loss. But there are a lot of things that like are encompassed in Tone It Up. So they have their nutrition plan, which is a one-time $170 payment. You get, I don't have mine yet, mine will be here on Thursday, and then I'll show it in a video, but you get this big kit that has the full nutrition plan, which is like a big coffee table book, a water bottle, a booty band, meal prep bins, and one of their Turn It Up nutrition bars. So you'll get all of that stuff in a kit, and then you are enrolled in the nutrition plan for life. As long as you log into the account that you paid for it with, you have access to it for life. Excuse me. So you get access to all of their new series, a lot of exclusive member content, which is super exciting. They also have a lot of stuff just on their website for non-members of the nutrition plan. They post recipes and articles and videos, lots of things to kind of get you pumped for getting fit. They also have their Studio Tone It Up app, which is a whole separate membership, but anyone can download it and do the daily workouts. If you want access to exclusive content and be able to take classes, it is $12.99 a month if you pay monthly, or for what I think it ends up being about $6.99 a month, but you pay like one-time fee of like 84 bucks, you have a year of access. I currently don't use the like premier features of the app, so I just do the daily moves. But they have plenty of workouts on their YouTube channel as well, so you don't have to necessarily buy a subscription to the app, but it's something I'm considering. It's one of my, I have like when I hit a weight goal, I get to reward myself with something. I think when I hit 275, I'm going to buy myself a year subscription to Studio Tone It Up, because you can take classes with like other girls, and so then you have like that contact with those people who are also taking the class and that sort of encouragement. So I think that's pretty cool, but that's a reward for myself for later. So they also do series throughout the year, so different like just little bursts of more serious like camaraderie, let's all get fit, let's all do this. Right now it is the bikini series. It is currently day 2 when I'm filming this, day 3 when you are watching it. So that's kind of their get set for summer series. It's 8 weeks, following the nutrition plan, doing out twice a day, making sure you're getting up early and working out, making sure you're drinking enough water. It's a very, very cool thing to do, and they do, I think, like 4 challenges a year, I think. This is my first challenge though, and I was lucky that I started the nutrition plan the week of the bikini series. So I'm starting off with the bikini series, which I think is an awesome way to start off because it's just going to jumpstart me into this, which is great. So there's that. And then as I've kind of mentioned a little bit throughout this, it's a community. That's what I really like about Tone It Up. If you go onto Instagram, there are tons and tons and tons of women who are using their experience with Tone It Up to inspire other women, to lift each other up. If you go on Instagram and you just search hashtag Tone It Up or TIU in your town, you're going to find tons of women who are doing the same thing as you are and are so encouraging and compassionate, and it's so great. I started a new health Instagram last week when I started testing the waters of a nutrition plan. And there are 80 wonderful women who follow me, and they are so encouraging and they lift you up, and it's so great. And so go ahead and follow that. It is StyledByKaylaXO. Easy to remember, just take out the styled, add a health. And I have been posting my daily updates. I update that one a lot just because that's a way for me to hold myself accountable, is by making sure I'm putting it out into the world what I'm doing. So yeah, if you're interested in that, follow me there. Some of the benefits that I've noticed of being a part of Tone It Up over the past, I mean, partially over the past few months, but like seriously over the past week. On the nutrition plan, you are never hungry. My biggest struggle with being on the nutrition plan so far has been not being able to finish my meals. They are huge helpings. You're cooking really good quality food. Their basic idea is lean, green, and clean. That's in another order, but they rhyme, so I would never say them in the right order. But those are like the three main criteria. And so it's all really good quality food, but it's a lot of food. So I really struggle to finish my meals someday, which is awesome. Because I'd rather be struggling to finish a big plate of healthy food than be like scarfing down a pint of Ben & Jerry's. So I think that's a good trade-off. There are tons of options. New recipes are released all the time. Every time there's a challenge, they release tons and tons of recipes with that challenge. So there's always new options for you to try, and they're delicious. This week, everyone meal prepped strawberry shortcake mini muffins, and I really cannot wait for meal 4 to get to eat those today. They are so good. I'm so excited. So it's good food, it's high quality food, it's healthy, it's lean, it's clean, it's green, it's all these good things, but it's a lot of food, which is awesome. The workouts are fun, but they're also hard, but there's also ways that you can modify for you, and you can do what you need to do to get the exercises in, and they make it fun. I love watching Studio Tone It Up videos on YouTube, because the women who do the videos are so inspiring. Mostly it's Karina and Katrina, but they have other gals who make videos with them, and they're just all so encouraging and fun, and it's better than just like a workout video where they're like, and now you do this, and then do this, and do 20 reps of this. It's a very uplifting thing to do. And again, going back to the community, it's just an inspiring place to be, and I really enjoy that. I think that's kind of the thing I need, is that inspiration, that camaraderie, positive people, because doing something like this shouldn't be something negative. It shouldn't be you're doing this to punish yourself because you have to lose weight, you have to do this because you know, it's just bad and you have to do this and there's no other option. It's fun, it's good, you should feel uplifted, you should feel happy. I love feeling happy about weight loss, and I think that's something that like for a long time I struggled with, is it was always so serious and like, oh, you have to do this and this and this, and that's why people fail. When it's pressure in a negative way, that is why people fail. Positivity helps so much, and so I'm so excited to be on this journey. I have for sure in the last 2 weeks lost 2 pounds for sure, possibly more. There was a situation with some cauliflower. Discovered I'm allergic to cauliflower, not a fun way. And so technically it looks like I lost 6 or 7 pounds. Six in the past week, but a lot of that I think has to do with the allergic reaction I had, so I'm not counting that. I'm counting that I've lost 2 pounds so far, and I wasn't super strict last week. So just thinking about being super strict, how much I can lose is just awesome. I'm excited. I'm feeling great. I'm not wearing a lot of makeup today because I went to Red Robin on Sunday, and my skin was so angry with me after like 6 days of being really good, and I was just feeling really cleansed, and then I ate Red Robin, and so my skin was breaking out, and so I'm not wearing any makeup because I'm trying to re-cleanse that. But yeah, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling energized. I'm happy to get up in the morning and do my workouts, which is awesome. And then yeah, just loving the support, and so I want to pass some of that on to you. So that's part of why I'm starting this series, to kind of follow along my journey and also to inspire all y'all, because that's part of why I wanted to make this channel a million years ago in the first place, was to inspire other people, and that's part of why I've switched the channel over to a more sit-down focused video and just talking to you guys, because I really, really love inspiring people and teaching people and talking to people. But I just love the positivity, and so that is something that's super cool about this program and super exciting for me and for the future, so I'm excited to share my journey with you guys. So, if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new, and if you're already subscribed or you're a new subscriber, hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload. I try and upload 4 days a week, usually Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, and I'm getting back on a schedule, and I'm so excited, and I would love to see you guys watching my videos. So, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!